Hello all and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be learning about IFS formula. Yesterday we have already seen if formula. I'll add the link in the description. If you want, you can go through that video. Okay. So the criteria is this is the list of the students. Okay, and this is the marks that they have got. And this is some criteria based on which I want to display the result. So yesterday we achieved this using a formula. So it was in a formula. What is the format? First you have to give the condition. Then what if the value is true? Next, what if the value is false? So since there were multiple conditions, we have achieved this using nested ifs, like if inside if. So if this condition is true, then display distinction. Else if this is false, then what we did, we again wrote a if condition. Now if this condition is false, then again an if condition. So this is the nested if that we had done. Now let's do the same thing using ifs. Let's see how it is easier using ifs. Okay, so since this is a formula, I'll start with equals to sign. I'll write IFS ifs. Now if you see, it says checks whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value corresponding to the first true condition. So in ifs, we only give the what if the values are true. Okay. So let's start. It is asking me for first logical test. That means what is your first condition? My first condition is if my marks are greater than equal to 70. So if this value is greater than or equal to 70, then what I want to display distinction. Since this is a text, I'll write it in double quotes. Okay, I'll put a comma, and then it is not asking me what if the value is false. It is asking me for the second condition. Okay, second logical test is second condition is if this value is greater than equal to 50, then what we want to display? We want to display good, and I put a comma. Again, it is asking me for the next condition. What should be my next condition was if this value is greater than equal to 40, then what I need to display? Average. Okay. I put a comma, and again it is asking me for a fourth condition, which is if this value is less than 40, then I want to display fail. Okay, so this is my formula. First condition, what if the value is true? Second condition, what if this condition is satisfied? Third condition and fourth condition. So in ifs, we are only giving the what if the values are true. Now let's see, let's copy this formula and see if we are getting the same result. So see, we are getting the same result. If marks are between 50 and 70, it is good. Marks are greater than 70, distinction. Between 40 and 50, average. Less than 40, fail. Okay, so we are getting the correct result. But if you see, ifs is easier to write because here we have so many ifs, so many brackets open, so many brackets closed, if else, if else. So instead of writing this, you can make use of this. It is simpler and easier to read also, right? So yeah, that's all about ifs. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment. And if you want me to explain some formula that you are stuck with, you can also write it in the comments. I'll try to cover that formula as well. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.